install VLC player for videos. So first of all, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or any browser. So first of all, write down fileinfo.com, FILE, fileinfo.com. Enter. There are lots of software and application is available in this website, and you can easily download and install and set up. So you can see this is the VLC media player 64-bit. You can then click download latest version for Windows. Click. There are inside older version. There are many version of VLC player. You can see. I just download latest version of VLC media player in 64-bit for Windows. You can see there are. Then click. Now click. Your download has started. I select folder, software folder, and select for downloaded. Save. You can see the VLC player. Download is finished. So go to download folder, click this PC, open and downloads. Now software, and you can show this is VLC player icon button, the official icon, and now in install process. So double click. Yes, can minimize. Choose language English. There are many languages here, and by default always select English. So I can select English. Choose English. So click OK. Now click next. Then everything is okay. No need to again, as everything is as it is same to same. Just click next. Click next, and no need to click anywhere. Just click install. Install is starting. Wait for 2 seconds. You can see VLC media player is successfully installed. Now click finish. You can see the VLC player icon is here in the desktop. I into close. Everything is closed. It's closed. Okay, so this is the video. We open the video using VLC media player. So first of all, click right button, go to click properties. So change this properties, click and select VLC player and set default and apply. Now OK. Then you can show the video icon is changes, and you can double click and open the video.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we'll just mess it up, 'cause we already are addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall.
You can scroll down and up. Then volume is
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough.
Then everything is perfectly.
We just mess it up.
Thanks for watching my videos.
Artificial love.